Hazrat Ali described about poverty and destitution as Allah wa inna minal bala'il faqa. Now that poverty and destitution is a problem. Al afafu zinatul faqr. The adornment of poverty is chastity and purity. Al faqru fil watani ghurbatun. In destitution and poverty, the country is also a foreign country. Wal-fakru yukhrisul fatina an hujjatihi. Poverty and destitution render the tongue of the wise man unable to show the force of arguments. Wal-mukillu gharibun fi baldatihi. Indigent lives in his own city like a pauper. Inna Allah subhanahu farada fi amwalil aghniyai aqwatil fuqara. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has fixed the sustenance of the poor in the wealth of the rich. Fama ja'a fakirun illa bima muttiya bihi ghaniyun. Therefore, if a poor person is hungry, the rich person has kept his wealth away from the poor person. Man iftakhara bi tabziri ihtaqara bil iflas. He who prides himself on extravagance is disgraced with poverty. Al-fakru maddaini shiqa'ul alin. Poverty with debt is a great misery. Hazrat Ali said to his son Muhammad ibn Hanfiya as, Ya bunayya, inni akhafu alaykal fakra fasta'iz billahi minhu. O son, seek refuge in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from poverty and destitution. فَإِنَّ الْفَقْرَ مَدْحَشَةٌ لِلْعَقْلِ دَاعِيَةٌ لِلْمُقْتِ. Because poverty and destitution is a cause of mental distress and reason for dislike from people.